there's a fucking header, goes up from there, comes on around, and then it dips down here. And then I'll have to go on the other fucking side to show you the rest. And that bend over there where it goes up and over and everything is where I'm having my fucking problems. There you go, you can see it. That's where it drops down, comes back up and over. One on the passenger side is right here. And the driver's side comes up and over. Try to get the best angle I can at it. It's that bend right there with the 3-inch. And see, they had to cut it right there because they're fucking idiots and they couldn't get it right with the 2.5. And then it goes to my 2.25, which dumps back out there by before the back axle. And see the little hole they popped in my transmission pan for me? Trying to weld that shit. Maybe if there was a reputable muffler shop up here, I might be able to get some good custom work done.